Hi guys, it's Allie here, and I'm by myself and my dog, and he is going crazy after his shower I just gave him. So ready, watch, let's see if we can get him to do it. Ouch! Ow! Oh my god! It's trying to bite me, guys.
Really bad, it scared me. And what could that pain mean? Joint pain could be joint damage. Ambro helps relieve joint pain, helps stop irreversible joint damage.
He took a sock off the couch.
Ambro may lower your ability to fight infections. Serious, sometimes fatal events, including infections, tuberculosis, lymphoma, other cancers, nervous system and blood disorders, and allergic reactions have occurred. Tell your doctor if you've been someplace where fungal infections are common.
So crazy.
If you're prone to infections, have cuts or sores, have had hepatitis B, have been treated for heart failure, or if you have persistent fever, bleeding, or paleness. Don't start Ambro if you have an infection.
He's crazy.
Since Emerald, Dad's back to being
Come here.
Visit Emerald.com and use the joint damage simulator to see how your joint damage could be progressing.
We'll get a fine toy that he loves.
FDA approved for over 15 years.
My mom washes the dishes before she puts them in the dishwasher. So what does the dishwasher do?
New Cascade Platinum does the work for you. Pre-washing and removing stuck on foods the first time.
He's so fast I can't like record him like right away. It's like it's off a little.
They also don't expect Lean Cuisine made with organic ingredients. But here we are, introducing a new line from Lean Cuisine. My favorite,
Give me it.
Farmer's Market Pizza. With its crispy organic crust and mozzarella cheese. Feed your
Get him.
with Lean
Get him.
Cuisine.
Go get Dallas. He is crazy this morning. I gave him a bath. He's crazy.
Hey, Tinker.
Oh, wow.
What?
Really? Give me that. Give me that toy. Give me it.
It's actually pretty. Always discreet.
Oh.
Tinker.
He's crazy. If you want him, you're going to have to grab him.
So I feel protected and pretty.
Hey, buddy.
Always discreet.
Arrgh. He kicked him in the mouth on accident.
So to breathe better, I go for the Nora.
He's crazy.
I say I'll go my own way with a Nora.
What?
Once daily Anoro contains 2 medicines called bronchodilators that work together.
He got the toy.
Lung function all day and
Give me my sock. Give me my sock. Give me my sock. No, give it to me.
the risk is unknown.
Play with him, Dallas.
Anoro won't replace
Play with him.
for sudden symptoms and should not
Grab his toy. Grab the sock from him. See what he does.
of a heart condition, high blood pressure, glaucoma, prostate, bladder, or urinary problems. These may worsen with Anoro. Call your doctor if you have worsened breathing, chest pain, mouth or tongue swelling, problems urinating, vision changes, or
Get him.
while taking Anoro.
He wants someone to play with him. And I'm just not fun to play with.
First prescription free at Anoro.com.
Try to get it from him, Dallas.
I'm stranded on a deserted island.
Oh, wow, Tank. Wow.
Is to survive.
Play with him, D.
I'm no parents.
Play with him. He's a little greasy because he just got a shower. Little. I gave it to him. Look at him. He's closing his eyeballs. Hi, buddy. He's starting to close his eyes. He fell asleep. He's so sleepy. That's the end of this video. You won't be like, okay. Make sure you. Tank's looking at the camera. Hi, Tanky. Hi, baby. Petting him.
Honestly, you would never know it's gluten free. I ate it for breakfast and justify it as like having a bowl of oatmeal in it.
That's all for today's video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on the bell. for yeah. First one to say done, get that shout out.